Hello guys, are you currently struggling teaching manually? I've got a good news for you. With ClassHub, you can create a class and also invite your students and also a co-teacher like you. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a class in ClassHub. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to ClassHub and set up your hub. And think of hub like a virtual school where you can onboard your teachers, your students, and if you're working with an expert teacher, you can invite them in. If not, you can go ahead and start setting things up on your own. Now my hub name, I'm going to use this hub as biology onboard. And I'm going to use my description as my description is, this is a beginner class for students who are starting out in biology. So then I'll go ahead and continue. Click on continue. Yes, I want to make this public. Then I'm going to create my hub. And that is it. We've created the hub successfully. Now I'm going to create the class. Now I'm going to head over here. You can create multiple classes. You can create a single class. I'm going to go for the single class. Now this is where we start. This is the hub name, the class name, the subject, the grade level. Now let's go over to it. Now I've created the new class I just created, the new hub, which is biology onboard. Now my class name, I'm going to use my class name as biology class. And my subject code, let me put bio 101. So now this is for beginner, like I said, so I'm going to choose beginner. Then I'll come to the description, then I'll still put, this is a beginner class for students who are starting out in biology. And I'll click on continue, and I'm going to wait for it, and there it is. I can add my student's name if I want a student. If I want to add two students, I'm going to put in their email address here, and I'll add a comma, then I'll add another email address. Now I'm going to put in this. Now this is, like I said, if you want to add more than a student to your class, you can click on this comma and you continue. Then, but now I'm just going to use this single person. This is my email address actually. So I'm going to, and you can also upload CV. If you have multiple emails that you want to put in here, you can upload the CV. You can upload the CSV file and your email address. All the students you want to add here, everything is just going to come inside this box. But now I'm going to use just a student. I'm adding just one student. So now it's creating the class for me. And now I've successfully created a class. Now let's view my class. And now, and that is it. I've successfully created a class in ClassHub. Now let me enter my class so we can be able to view. You can, like ClassHub enables you to add links, add videos, add notes, and you can do a lot of stuff on ClassHub. Now from this class, I'm going to have to enter the class. And now this is the topic. I can add a topic that I want. I can schedule a live class. And this is it. This is the topic name. Now, like I said, biology. And description. Let me put reproduction as my topic. I'm going to use topic name reproduction, and yet description. I'm just going to put in for beginners, reproduction for beginner. Then now I can add objective, whatever I want my objective to be. I can just add everything in here, and whatever I want it to be. Now let me say my objective is to educate the new students what reproduction is all about. And now I've added the topic. Now there's a lot I can do. There's a lot I can do here, and this is it. I can upload images. I can do a lot on here. This I can schedule. This is the class. This is the class settings. Now I'm going to add content. Adding a content here. This is notes. I can add a note under the this particular topic. I can add notes. If you want to add notes, you can add files, you can add videos, you can add quiz, you can set up your quiz assessments in here. You can add, if you want to direct them to watch a YouTube video, you can add a YouTube video here, the link. You can also create assignment here, and that is as simple as that on ClassHub. So this is going to make your teaching very, very easy and simple. Now it is time to teach smarter and not harder. So try this out and make your classroom easy and organized. I'll see you on the next one.